We're in the heart of RRSP season, and I want to take the time to chat about labor-sponsored funds and who they're ideal for and how they benefit you. There's two main components to a labor-sponsored fund RRSP, a deduction and a credit. There's going to be a lot of numbers here, so make sure you read the copy if you're looking at the details of how the calculations are done. First of all, if you make a $5,000 labor fund contribution, $5,000 being the max you can make in Saskatchewan, this will give you a tax deduction, so it will reduce your tax by $5,000. If you earn from $93,000 to $129,000, you're in a 38.5% tax bracket. This gives you just over a $1,900 tax refund or availability of a tax deduction. The second component is the tax credit that you get. There's a federal credit and a Saskatchewan credit. And what I see in one of the pitfalls is that people don't calculate or know if they even pay tax provincially. They bought a labor-sponsored fund and they can't fully utilize the credit. So I want you to look back on last year's tax return if it's similar, and just make sure you are paying Saskatchewan tax before you invest into a labor-sponsored fund. So what the credit is a reduction of tax owing. So if you take $5,000 times by 32.5% tax credit that you would be allotted, that's $1,625 of tax savings. So if we take the deduction and the credit, add it together, and you make a $5,000 contribution to a labor fund RRSP, your total tax savings would be $3,550. That's a huge tax savings from just a $5,000 investment. If your accountant, your financial advisor, or your financial planner is not talking to you about labor-sponsored funds, and if they're ideal for your situation, you need to talk to some new professionals. You need to know if this is ideal for your situation.